There's the peanut gallery watching what I'm doing, feeding the other snakes. You're a silly snake. Meanwhile, while sitting here doing this, we have the old peanut gallery over there going. Right? Yeah. Whenever I'm in the room here, he just he likes to come forward and do that. Don't have a clue why, but it seems to amuse him. I think he's probably saying, well, let's see if I can get this stupid person to do this again with me. Right. Oh no, Mr. Bill! I'm being eaten by the giant rhino viper! Oh! So much for Chicken Little. You tried to do the sniffle with your mouth full, huh? Okay, you enjoy your dessert. Meanwhile, Mr. Sniffles is keeping vigil there, right? Huh? Yeah. Hi there. I know, we can all see you in there.
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! It's Sniffles, the red-nosed rhinoceros viper.
Yeah. Oh, Mr. Sniffs is getting really close, huh? Rhinoceros viper cam. Look at that. That's as close to eye as you can safely get to a rhino viper. Okay, Sniffs, I'll back off. Hey, Sniffs! You gotta reposition slightly so you can get this properly. Okay? Come on. Oh, yeah, Sniffs, you repositioned. What's wrong with these snakes? Snakes that don't normally get snappy are really, really snappy. And there I go. Sniff's just a hair out of frame. Darn. Everybody can see Sniff's there, eagerly waiting for something to eat.
George, George, George of the jungle, strong as he can be. Watch out for that tree. George.
Really? You're gonna talk now, huh? You realize that this isn't such a bad deal, huh? Yeah, how about that? Huh? Yeah, the last time I had you out, you were pretty ornery, huh? Yeah. We know you were, huh? Yeah. Well. I think by the end of summer we'll have some nice big quarters for you, huh? Yeah, you think so? I think so. No? It's been delayed again, you think, huh? No, you don't want it to be delayed? No? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, well, some people were asking for you. No? They weren't? Yeah, they were. You got fans out there like you can't imagine. They like you better than me. Which is okay, because that's what the whole show's about. You, not me, right? Yeah, okay. Well, you gonna let me finish what I gotta do in the cage? Huh? No? You want me to hang out here with you? Huh? Is that the idea? Oh, okay. Alright, well I'm gonna slowly get up, Sniff, so you need to be prepared for that so you don't get all weirded out, okay? Okay.